Are you ready to earn $5,000 in just 5 days with affiliate marketing? Join our exciting Q&A session to learn the strategies and tools you need to succeed. Discover how to prepare mentally for a high-impact challenge, crucial for quick success. Learn to choose high-ticket and trending products that can lead to significant earnings. Explore rapid traffic generation methods, including paid ads and social media promotions. Find out how to create irresistible offers by bundling products with bonuses to increase conversions. Learn effective time management to prioritize tasks during the 5-day challenge. Discover tools and techniques for automating repetitive tasks for faster results. Gain insights on tracking performance, adjusting strategies, and maximizing ROI in real time. Hear inspiring stories from successful affiliates who achieved remarkable results. This challenge is your chance to achieve financial freedom or scale your affiliate business. Are you ready to rise to the challenge?